Uh, Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yeah. So, Vaibhav, you asked this question, right? Vaibhav, is this the question you asked?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So, let's get started with that. And so, this is a differentiation question, okay? And what do we have to do? We are given a condition, okay? We are given a condition here, and we have to show its differential, right? Essentially, this is the question, right? This is very similar to even what we do in differential equations, right? So what will we do in this? The very first thing we have to do is we will differentiate it, right? So what is the differential of the left-hand side? The differential of cos x is, cos y is minus sin y, right? And we have to multiply using the chain rule to get the differential of y. Okay. Now, the same thing we have to do on the right hand side, but we will use the multiplication rule here first. So the multiplication rule, first we will differentiate x, which is 1, and then we will write this as it is. Plus, we will write the first function as it is, and we will differentiate the second function. Okay, we will differentiate the second function, and the second function differential will be minus sine a plus y, and then we have to differentiate a plus y. What is that? Y dash means dy by dt. Okay, now what can we do? Now what can we do? Yes, Vaibhav, what do you think we can do next? Vaibhav, are you there? Can you please switch
Yes,
on
sir.
your... Huh. So what can we do next now? We have done this. So we can take this on this side and take the y differential of y as common, right? So we will take this on this side. So we will get x sine a plus y. Okay, plus minus the sine y from here. This into y is equal to cos a plus y, right? Now we should look for the, okay, now we should look for some idea from the question itself. ठीक है ना, क्योंकि we have to get it in this form. So you see, we can see there is a cos square here, right? Now that can give us an idea. The idea is that we multiply both sides by
Cos
cos
A
a
plus
plus y, right? So we will do that. So we will get cos square a plus y, and we will get x sine a plus y cos a plus y minus sine y cos a plus y, and everything outside that we have y dash, right? Now this is interesting because x into this, right, is cos y. So we will replace it by cos y. So we will have sine a plus y into cos y minus sine of y cos a plus y, right? And outside is equal to cos square a plus y. Now this is an identity we can use, okay? Sine cos on both
Sin
sides with
x
a
plus
minus.
y.
So it will be sine a plus y minus y, which is sine a. So it is y dash sine a is equal to cos square a plus y, right? So we have got our answer, y dash is equal to cos square a plus y by sine. Okay. Please switch on your cameras. All the, everybody's camera is off now, other than Webhub. Sandeep. Sandeep, please switch on your camera.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Good morning, ma'am.
सर मुझे एक चीज पूछनी थी आपसे।
Mhm.
जो अभी टाइम टेबल चेंज हुआ है उसमें अभी भी मैं ही आपकी सपोर्टिव टीचर हूँ ना?
Give me a second, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके सर, मैं थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज थी एक्चुअली। शायद मैंने टाइम टेबल गलत देख लिया। मुझे लगा कि शायद मैं
हाँ
एनसी सर के साथ हूँ सपोर्टिव टीचर।
हाँ, वो क्योंकि ना ये चेंज 2-3 बार हो गया एक ही वीक में।
जी जी जी।
तो मैंने भी एक्चुअली आई सॉ दिस ओनली दिस मॉर्निंग कि मेरी क्लास है, वरना आई वाज अज्यूमिंग कि शर्मा सर की क्लास है सुबह।
ओके सर, मैं भी थोड़ा इसी पे कंफ्यूज हो गई थी सर।
हाँ, वो क्योंकि 2 बार चेंज हो
जी
गया
सर।
एक वीक में। हाँ जी, ओके। हाँ, स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज स्विच ऑन योर कैमरास, फिर हम प्रोसीड कर पाएंगे। लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट टाइम ऑन दिस, राइट स्टूडेंट्स? हाँ प्लीज, या ग्रेट, लेट्स कीप मूविंग ऑन। ओके, तो
कार्तिक गोयल, बेटा कैमरा ऑन कीजिए आप।
मैम कार्तिक का भी ऑडियो
कार्तिक गोयल।
कनेक्टेड नहीं है अभी, इसलिए उसको कहा नहीं मैंने, उसका ऑडियो ही नहीं कनेक्टेड है अभी।
ओके सर।
Okay. Yeah, okay, so this was the next question, in which we are again given an equation and we have to show its differential equation. See, these questions are not differential equation questions technically, right? They are in the differentiation chapter, but you can see that as such they are the same way we do the differential equation questions. Okay, so we have to just manipulate it to get it into this equation. Okay, we will start from what is given. Y is equal to e raised to cos inverse x. Now, we will take a log on both the sides. That's immediately evident. Log y is equal to a cos minus. Yeah, Vaibhav? Okay, so we have done this, and now the immediate next step is we will differentiate on both sides. So we will get 1 by y into the differential of y is equal to a, and what is the differential of cos inverse x? 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, right? So we have got it into this shape now. Now what should we do? How should
Excuse
we
me, sir.
proceed? Yeah.
सर 1 मिनट सर, केवल एक स्टूडेंट को छोड़ के तीनों अपना कैमरा बंद करके बैठ गए, निखिल भी, जैनेन्द्र भी, और अभी संदीप ने जस्ट अभी ऑन किया है।
बेटा देखिए, उससे हमें कोई फायदा नहीं हो रहा है ना, बार बार कैमरा ऑन ऑफ करने से। आप ऑन रखिए, हम बैठ के पढ़ ही रहे हैं, हमको क्या फर्क पड़ता है। जस्ट कीप योर कैमराज ऑन। Vaibhav got dropped out. This is Vaibhav's question only. Oh, he's rejoining. Okay. Nikhil and Janendra. बेटा कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए, वी विल बी एबल टू प्रोसीड। इस तरह हम सब रुक जाते हैं। जनेंद्र कैमरा ऑन करिए। आई एम ग्रेट। ओके चलिए, ओके लेट्स मूव ऑन। ठीक है, तो अब हमको क्या करना चाहिए? वी विल जस्ट ब्रिंग इट इनटू द all into numerator just for simplification. So we will have this 1 minus x square ay. Okay, now what can we do? Okay, we need a second order differential, so we should differentiate it once more, right? And we have the second, this in the single degree, this order, right? So I don't think there is a need to even square, otherwise the squaring could have been a very good idea here. Okay, so but there is not a great need to square because we need the second order derivative in single power. So let's not square it. Let's just differentiate it again. So look carefully now, how will we differentiate this? So the first function we have to differentiate. So what is the differential of first order derivative of y? It's the second order derivative of y into the second function plus the first function, which is the first order derivative of y, into the differential of this. Okay, so what will be the differential of this? This is 1 minus x square raised to the power half, so it will be half. Okay, this will come in the denominator now because it's 1 minus x squared raised to the power minus half, and then the differential of 1 minus x square, which is minus 2x. Okay, so this becomes the differential of the left hand side. What is the differential of the right hand side? A.
वैभव बेटा, आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है? सर का भी पढ़ाने का रिदम बार बार मुझे खराब करना पड़ता है। आपको कैमरा ऑन करने से क्या प्रॉब्लम है? या तो आप प्रॉब्लम बता दीजिए सर को अपनी कि आपको ये प्रॉब्लम है इसलिए आप कैमरा ऑन नहीं कर रहे हो। अदरवाइज ये बार बार आप प्लीज कैमरा ऑफ मत कीजिए।
मैम उसका ऑडियो ही चला गया है, वैभव का। ही ड्रॉप्ड आउट एंड रीजॉइंड एंड नाउ ही इज विदाउट ऑडियो, सो वो सुन नहीं पाएगा अभी।
सर इसका बार बार ऑफ हो जाता है ना, तो कैमरा एक बार आप देख लीजिएगा, आप खुद बोल लीजिएगा।
हाँ, वो एक्चुअली ना ये क्वेश्चन वैभव ने पूछा हुआ है, तो वो उसको देखिए फिर निकल गया। वो एक्चुअली उसी का पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन है ये।
ओके सर, हो सकता है तो
हाँ,
नेटवर्क की
उसको शायद, हाँ उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है टेक्निकल, बिकॉज ही डेफिनेटली वांट्स टू बी लुकिंग एट दिस। तो हाँ, I'll anyway continue. If he misses, he will look at the recording then. Okay, so we can't waste other students' time, so I'll continue. Now we have come to this, right? Now what can we do? Okay, what we can do is, okay, let's anyway get rid of this 2. We can multiply the equation by under root 1 minus x square. Okay, so this will become 1 minus x square, 2 primes here. Okay, minus y dash is equal to a y dash. Okay, but look at this. Look at this intermediate result. Okay, this intermediate result can be plugged back here. Okay, so this is the important feature of some of these questions, that something that we brought in intermediate, we should keep looking back at the intermediate results. They can be plugged back. So from here, this thing is ay. So this will become a square y. Okay, this will become a square y. And this is this, and so we have got what we wanted, right? This is same as this. Okay, we can bring it on this side and put it as 0. Now this is exactly the same. Vaibhav, you have a network problem. What was the problem you were?
Network problem.
Okay, huh. Okay, so Vaibhav, I have done both the questions you asked. You have missed a part of the second one. Okay, तो बेटा वो आप रिकॉर्डिंग में देख लेना, रिजल्ट आपके सामने है. इसमें जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट था वो ये था कि जो हमने फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डिफरेंशियल में रिजल्ट आया था, उसको सेकंड बार जब डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं तो उसको प्लग बैक करना है. ये वाला पोर्शन वापस ए वाई बन जाएगा उससे और हमारा रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. ट्रिक केवल उतनी सी है इसमें. ओके, अंडरस्टूड?
ओके सर.
ओके, और बहुत डिटेल में देखना है तो रिकॉर्डिंग देख लेना, इवनिंग में देख लेना, इवनिंग तक इट विल बी अपलोडेड. ओके
ओके सर.
and then this was another question, okay, that was asked. I don't remember who asked this, but now prove that x square minus y square is equal to c x square plus y square whole square is a general solution of this, right? So basically we just have to find the differential equation which eliminates c. See, that is the only thing that has happened here, right? We have eliminated c. So let's do that. How will we do such a question? Any ideas? क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले अपनी ओरिजिनल इक्वेशन लेंगे और उसको डिफरेंशिएट कर देंगे, राइट? तो वी विल गेट 2x minus 2y into y differential is equal to c is a constant, so we don't care. It is, sorry. Now c is a constant. Now we will first differentiate this square, right? So which will be 2 into x square plus y square. And then we will differentiate this, the chain rule. So 2x plus 2y into y prime. Okay, so now we have to obviously open up these brackets. Okay, so 2x minus 2. Okay, before I do that, I can actually get rid of these 2's, right? Just to simplify. So I'll be left with x minus y into y dash is equal to c x. So x 2. Okay, just a second. I can take the 2c outside. So it will be x cube plus yx square y factorial. Oh, sorry, y prime plus x y square plus y cube y differential. Okay, understood? Now we will eliminate c from here. Okay, we will eliminate c. Actually, there was not a need to do this simplification. Abhi. Okay, leave this simplification for now because we are just eliminating c. So let me write what c is. C is x minus y dash by x square plus y square. 2 outside, I can take x plus y into y. Okay, now and c from the original equation also let's write. And that will eliminate c, right? So I can cancel this out. Okay, now this essentially is all that we have to solve. So we will have this into x square plus y square. And on this side, we will have 2 x square minus y square x plus y differential. Okay. Okay. Some of the students have left. What has happened? Nikhil, अपना video on करिए. Yeah. Okay. I don't remember who asked this question, but now they have left. Okay. So now, you know, we just have to simplify this. We have to open these brackets and regroup the terms. And we will get dy by dx as equal to x cube minus 3xy square by y cube minus 3x square y. Okay. तो वो regroup करके we will get back the same answer. तो इसमें जो important part था वो elimination of C ही है. Otherwise it's a straightforward question. But there are many terms because when we open it up, we will have 4 terms here and we will have 4 terms here. Okay, and then we have to do the regrouping exercise. Okay, so that way there is some work to be done in this question. Otherwise, this is a straightforward question. Okay, these type of questions do come in the board, so this is a pretty good question. Now, find a particular solution to the differential equation, which is this given a condition. Okay, this condition we only have to use in the end to eliminate the constant of integration. Okay, now we have to do this. So how will we proceed doing this? How will we proceed with this? Any ideas? Can somebody suggest how we can proceed with this question? What is the first step we should do in any such question? In a differential equation, when we have to solve a differential equation, can somebody tell me what is the first step? Also switch on your videos. निखिल वैभव को छोड़ के सबका वीडियो ऑफ है. अभय, कार्तिक, मितांशु.
सर x एक तरफ y एक तरफ.
हाँ, देखिए x और y हमें सेपरेट करने से पहले हमारी सबसे पहली कोशिश क्या होती है? चलिए पहले हम ये समझ लेते हैं एक बार. That will be useful in all differential equation questions. कि हमारी सबसे पहली जो कोशिश होनी चाहिए वो ये होनी चाहिए कि we get our equation in some form where it is dy by dx is equal to some expressions, okay, is equal to some right hand side, which should not have dy by dx. Okay, now what do? We, after doing that, we look at the right hand side and try to find out what type of expression is that. Is it homogeneous? Is it a form of linear equation? Or is it easily separable? The variables can be easily separated. If the variables can be easily separated, then it's a very simple question, right? We separate and do the integration. If it is homogeneous, then we have to make a substitution, okay? And if it is the linear form, then we have to use the concept of integrating factor, right? तो इस फॉर्म में लाना है पहले, तो इसको सबसे पहले इस फॉर्म में लाएंगे तो क्या करेंगे, इस पूरी इक्वेशन को dx से डिवाइड कर देते हैं, right? That would be a slightly faster way of doing it. Okay, so let's do that. It will be x minus y and dx से यहाँ पे divide हुआ तो क्या हो गया, 1 plus dy by dx is equal to 1 minus dy by dx. ठीक है, अब हमें इसको ओपन कर लेते हैं. So x dy by dx minus x dy by dx. So I shouldn't write it. Let me say x minus y plus x dy by dx minus y dy by dx. Minus dy by dx. Okay, so let's take all the dy by dx terms on one side and all the other terms on the other. So we will get 1 minus x plus y, and here we will get dy by dx. In the bracket we will get x minus y plus 1. Okay, so we have got it in this shape now. Dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x plus y and 1 plus x minus y. Okay, now this is the form we want, but now we have a problem. Okay, and that is why maybe this is a very good question, although it's rare kind of a question, but it is still a good question. Okay, so we have a problem. What is the problem with this now? Okay, let's see. Can we separate out x and y from this somehow? न्यूमरेटर में केवल x रह जाए या y रह जाए, ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं हम? We cannot do that, right? बेटा फिर से वीडियोस ऑफ हो गए कुछ क्या? नहीं, ओनली मितांशु, प्लीज आप अपना वीडियो ऑन करिए.
सर मितांशु तो ऑन ही नहीं कर रहा है. आपने पहली बार बोला सभी स्टूडेंट ने कैमरा ऑन कर लिया, लेकिन मितांशु ने नहीं किया.
मितांशु, Mitanshu, are you there or not? Speak up. Unmute करके बोलिए एक बार. Mitanshu, I don't think he's there at all. Okay, we'll continue. Otherwise,
सर रिमूव कर दीजिए मितांशु को. अगर बच्चा अनम्यूट करके अपनी प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं बता रहा है तो आप रिमूव कर दीजिए सर.
Mitanshu, I will be removing you quickly. Can you at least speak up if your camera is not working or something? No, he is not there. Okay. Now, so it's not variable separable, right? It's quite clear that it is not variable separable. Is it homogeneous? Who will answer that? Is this a homogeneous differential equation? Yes, tell me. Anybody who knows if it is a homogeneous equation or not? Okay, homogeneous क्या होता है? Can somebody tell me that? Homogeneous equations क्या होती हैं differential equations में? देखिए कोई भी फंक्शन है, मान लीजिए ये एक फंक्शन है x और y में, राइट? डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन विल हैव x एंड y. तो इसको कब होमोजेनियस कहते हैं हम? अगर मैं इसमें x को लैम्डा x डाल दूं और y को लैम्डा y डाल दूं और तब इस फंक्शन को देखूं और ये फंक्शन को मैं जब सिंप्लीफाई करूं तो लैम्डा बाहर आ जाए विथ सम पावर. ओके, इट कुड बी सम पावर, but it is still some power of lambda, which can even be zero to any number, right? And वापस से मुझे यही मिल जाए, ठीक है ना? तो ऐसे फंक्शन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? होमोजेनियस बोलते हैं. और ये कब होता है? जब सारे टर्म्स, जितने भी टर्म्स होते हैं ना, उसमें उसकी जो कंबाइंड डिग्री है एक्स और वाई की वो सेम रहे. ये तभी पॉसिबल हो सकता है, राइट? सो ये तो एक मैथमेटिकल डेफिनेशन हो गई होमोजेनियस की. लेकिन हम यूजुअली चेक जब करते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं कि बस हम ये देख लेते हैं कंबाइंड डिग्री सेम है क्या. जैसे यहाँ पे डिग्री 0 है, यहाँ 1, यहाँ 1, तो सेम नहीं है. उसी तरह से 0 1 1 है, सेम नहीं है डिग्री हर एक टर्म. तो ये होमोजेनियस भी नहीं है. क्या मैं इसको लीनियर फॉर्म में लिख सकता हूं? somebody remembers the लीनियर फॉर्म कैसे लिखते हैं? dy by dx is equal plus py is equal to q. ऐसे लिखते हैं ना लीनियर फॉर्म, जिसमें ये और ये केवल फंक्शंस ऑफ x होते हैं. केवल फंक्शन ऑफ x होनी चाहिए. there should be no y other than this single y है, राइट? वो वाली फॉर्म भी इसमें नहीं आ पा रही है. I cannot separate it out to get into this form. और यहां आके ये क्वेश्चन जो है अटक जाता है. जो हमारे स्टैंडर्ड जितने भी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं उस तरह से ये नहीं होता. यहां तक करना तो आसान है, ठीक है? और क्योंकि यहां हम आके अटक जाते हैं तो हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा ताकि ये वन ऑफ द नोन फॉर्म में आ जाए. और उसी चीज के लिए इन्होंने यहाँ पे हमें पहले ही हिंट दे दिया है. Without this hint, this question is not a very easy question. Okay. Now, what is he suggesting we do here? हम एक सब्स्टिट्यूशन करेंगे जिसकी वजह से क्या हो जाना चाहिए? वेरिएबल सेपरेट हो जाएं. Okay. And that substitution is, we can see कि अगर मैं x minus y को t ले लूं तो ऊपर x माइनस x माइनस टी हो जाएगा और नीचे x प्लस टी हो जाएगा. और फिर we will be able to separate our variables. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so we will make that substitution. So x minus y is equal to t. Okay, now if we differentiate on both sides, what will we get? 1 minus dy by dx is equal to dt by dx. Okay, or I can say dy by dx is equal to 1 minus dt by dx, right? तो अब यहाँ पे हम सब्स्टिट्यूशन कर लेते हैं. dy by dx क्या होता है? 1 minus dt by dx. We are substituting in this now. Is equal to 1 minus t, 1 plus t. Okay, which means dt by dx is equal to 1 plus t minus plus 2t. Okay. Now, which form is this? Which form of differential equation is this? Look at this. I'll create some space here. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, so dt by dx is equal to 2t by 1 plus t. ओके, तो ये कौन सा फॉर्म बन गया हमारा? वेरिएबल सेपरेबल. यहाँ पे कोई भी x नहीं है, राइट? तो इसको हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं, तो हमें क्या मिल गया? 1 प्लस टी बाई 2t dt is equal to dx. Okay, now this is straightforward. We can integrate on both sides. So when we integrate, we will get this. The integral of this is x plus c. और यहाँ का इंटीग्रल क्या आएगा हमारा? हाफ तो बाहर आ गया हमारा. और 1 प्लस टी बाई टी का क्या इंटीग्रल आएगा? सेपरेट कर लेंगे. 1 बाई टी का आ जाएगा log t, राइट? प्लस 1 का आ जाएगा t. ये हमारा फाइनल आंसर आ गया है. लेकिन हमको क्या करना है? इस c को एलिमिनेट करना है. कैसे करेंगे? जो हमें कंडीशन दी गई है, when x is equal to 0. सबसे पहले तो इसकी जगह हम रीसब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. हाफ log we used x minus y, okay, plus x minus y is equal to x plus c. Okay, now let's just put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1. Okay, so ये हो गया हमारा log 1 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 0 plus c. So this is 0, this is 0, so c is equal to half.